This kitten was obsessed with riding his tiny motorbike, even though his mother kept scolding him and forcing him to get off. But the little rebel never listened and kept escaping while his mom chased after him. No matter how far he went, she always caught him and finally placed him at the top of the stairs, thinking he wouldn't be able to climb down. But when he tried, he realized his legs were too short to reach the steps. After a moment of thinking, he came up with a clever plan and started backing down slowly, one step at a time. Everything was working perfectly until he accidentally stepped on his dad, who was resting on the stairs. The dad got angry and lifted his paw, but just then the mom rushed in instantly and taught the dad a quick lesson.